Hi, I'm Michele Sullivan. We're here at Mantua Elementary and it is our MWEE Day, meaningful watershed educational experience. Today we have 4 amazing stations. The first one is Watershed with experts from Fairfax County Stormwater Department, and they are showing the kids the benthics, all the critters that live in that layer.
My name is Chris Mueller. I'm a freshwater ecologist with Fairfax County Stormwater Planning Group. And today we're doing a little bit of a talk of how we do the sampling in our streams, from collecting the fish and the bugs to looking at the non-living things like the rocks, the water, and the dirt that are in our streams. And we've brought some live bugs here today from streams in around the county, and the students will get a chance to look at those bugs, help ID them using a key that we have, and kind of figure out using that key what the tolerances to pollution are for those species. And that helps them understand that what's in our streams helps tell us how polluted or not polluted our streams are. So some of the bugs that we have here today are things like caddisflies, which are one of the most unique species of bugs that we have. Some of the larger ones that we have in here are crayfish. Those are always the crowd favorite because of their size. And then something called a Dobson fly larva or a helgramite.
We have incredible resources. We have this amazing outreach and education program, and they travel from school to school. I love to say it's great to live in Fairfax.